How to get unlimited coins in Hamster Kombat. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to get unlimited coins in Hamster Kombat. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open the application itself. Then here you can see many options. Just below the level bar you can see a video icon on your right hand side. You need to simply watch an ad in order to earn 10k coins, as you can see right here. Then here you can simply refer this to your friends as well. Go to the friend section, and as you can see, you can simply invite a friend and you can get more coins. And you can complete the levels, or you can simply complete the tasks as mentioned, and then you could earn more money from the Hamster Kombat. After following the following ways, you could get more money or more coins on Hamster Kombat. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.